Top 10 foods to heal fatty liver. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale and arugula are rich in antioxidants and fiber which help reduce liver inflammation and improve function. Number 2. Avocados. Packed with healthy fats, avocados promote liver repair and decrease fat accumulation in the liver. Number 3. Olive oil. High in healthy monounsaturated fats, olive oil supports liver detoxification and reduces liver fat. Number 4. Garlic. Contains compounds that activate liver enzymes aiding detoxification and reducing fat in the liver. Number 5. Turmeric. The active compound curcumin has anti-inflammatory properties helping protect the liver from damage. Number 6. Green tea. Packed with catechins, green tea boosts liver function and help reduce fat buildup. Number 7. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries and strawberries are full of antioxidants that protect the liver from oxidative stress. Number 8. Lemon. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon aids in liver detoxification and promotes bile production. Number 9. Apples. Contain fiber and antioxidants helping to reduce inflammation and promote detoxification in the liver. Number 10. Chia seeds. High in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, chia seeds help reduce liver fat and inflammation.